January 2021. We had so many expectations going into this month. We had so much motivation going in. We had so many fears going in. Did it meet our expectations? Did we keep up our motivation? Or did it make our worst fears come true? Well, I think it did a combination of all three of them actually. I'm barely even keeping track of what day it is. Time is a construct and everything is going to shit as we speak. So in an effort to keep the continuity of time going, I am going to review January 2021 as well as all the other months of 2021. Hello everyone, my name is Anusha and welcome to my channel Nobody and Co. Today I am going to review the month. First I'm going to cover big world events that happened, then I'm going to talk about how my month went personally.
Nobody cares about your personal life, Anusha. Nobody. Nobody cares. Why did you include this part in the video? I swear to God.
And then I'm going to talk about my favorites of the month. My favorite TV show or movie, my favorite book, my favorite random item. There's a lot coming up, so stay tuned. So January 2021, where do we begin? Dare I say, January 2021 was the best month of 2021 yet, because it was the only month of 2021 yet. So I don't know about you, but January 1st, I wasn't really feeling it. Honestly, for the first 4 days of January, it just felt like 2020. But something happened on 5th January. I don't know what it was. I woke up with a feeling that it is finally the new year. I even wrote my first poem of the year on January 5th.
Nobody cares about your poetry.
It snowed really hard in Korea for the first time in quite a few years, and as you know, I'm obsessed with Korea. So obviously I had to look at all the Instagram influencers' photos of snow.
Nobody cares about your Korea obsession.
And it was beautiful. I felt almost like I was in the snow. But then January 6th happened and America decided to remind us where we are and bring us back to the ground. I can't say that this is not something we all expected. Honestly, sometimes I wonder, will any news ever enrage me anymore? Probably not. So after the customary Twitter outrage, everything was okay again. Actually, something very beautiful happened. Trump got banned from all of the internet. Hallelujah, it is a New Year miracle. But really, this should have happened like 4 New Years ago, but it's okay, we'll take it. But right after the ghost of Trump finally stopped haunting the internet, WhatsApp decided to throw another curveball at us. It really wasn't a curveball, but these days it looks like any new update on privacy policies gets people enraged. Unless you decide to wipe away your entire existence from the internet, it's going to be difficult to maintain your privacy, at least in 2021. So yeah, that happened, and then nothing much really happened after that in the world.
Anusha, I think you're forgetting something.
I mean, I'm sure a lot of things happened, but maybe that was the time that I stopped trying to keep up with the news and just got entangled in my own life. So now let's review how my life has been in January 2021. Well, I came into this year with a part-time job, so I was already feeling great about myself. I had a purpose in life for a while. I had been reading a book after 6 months and I started posting regularly on my YouTube channel. So dare I say, this month has been good for me. But keep in mind, I am filming this video on January 20th. So in the next 10 to 11 days, if something goes wrong, I'm not responsible for that in my review. So please don't attack me. Okay, thank you.
Well, turns out something did go wrong.
Now let's come to my favorites of the month. What have I been reading? What have I been watching? What have I been eating? What have I been enjoying? All of that and more. Let's begin. So first up is my favorite TV show slash movie. So I have to say my favorite TV show of January 2021 was Lupin. It was a comedy thriller based on the works of Arsène Lupin. It's in French. It makes you feel all fancy but also keeps you hooked because it's a thriller. So it's all in all very entertaining, and the music score is just so beautiful. They play an orchestra version of Sway in this like really cool chase scene, and it's so amazing. Basically, just go watch it. Watch it with subtitles. Please don't tell me that you're one of those people who doesn't watch things that are in different languages because you don't want to read subtitles. Please, if you don't want to read a book, at least read subtitles. Thank you very much. And an honorary mention in my favorite TV show, I recently watched another episode of Our Planet, and I am absolutely in love with the way it's been narrated, filmed, and the whole thing is just so majestic. It feels like you're watching life on an alien planet, but really it's life on our own Earth that we don't really get to see. Recently, I've been very interested in the form of storytelling and how people do it, especially because I'm trying to do it with my YouTube videos. So I wanted to see how a story is told when you only have a bunch of animal footage and you have to put it together and tell some sort of story. And Our Planet does it so beautifully. It makes you realize that life on Earth is about give and take, and all the creatures on Earth live as a result of this give and take, this synergy that we've created.
Synergy.
But humans have been taking more than we've been giving, and that is a problem. In a very beautiful way, it brings you the message of being a more sustainable species as human beings. It's also very relaxing to watch. So yeah. Okay, next up is my favorite memory of this month. My favorite memory was January 5th, as I said. Right from the start of the day, it was such a beautiful morning. It was raining, and when it rains in the winter and it's like nice and chilly outside, I actually went up to the balcony and just slept in my balcony because it was so peaceful. I also wrote a poem about rainy winter mornings, and I also wrote a poem about the person I want to be in 2021 and going forward. So if you want, I will share those poems on my channel if you are interested. I know that people aren't really interested in poetry generally, but if you are, let me know. Next up is my favorite book / article / poem. Now, I've already talked about this book on my channel. You know I love it. IQ 84 by Haruki Murakami. Beautiful book, beautiful. It's in 3 parts, but it is such a quick read. You are gripped from the start. There's a love story, there's a thriller, there's magical realism, there's everything, and you're never bored. So if you are someone who wants to get back into reading, then I would suggest this book to you, because I picked up this book after not having picked up books for 6 months. It flew by for me. So yeah, that was my favorite book. Now let's talk about my favorite snack. This one is actually a tie between Choco Pie and Bundi. Do you guys know what Choco Pie is? Choco Pie is basically a snack that originated in Korea, I believe, but I have been eating it since childhood because it was so widely available in India, and I love Choco Pie. And these days I've ordered so much Choco Pie and I eat it every night before going to sleep, and I know that's not a good habit, but I do it anyway because I love it. And the second one on the tie is Bundi. Do you guys know what Bundi is? I think you might know what Bundi ka laddu is more than what Bundi is, but Bundi is basically like a sweet Indian snack which is syrupy, and it's orange and it's beautiful. So Bundi was also a good competitor for my favorite snack of this month. Next up is my favorite Instagram account. My favorite Instagram account of January 2021 was at I Am Sitting. I Am Sitting posts beautiful comic strips related to mental health, but also related to life. And I especially love their story because on their story, they post posts from other creators on Instagram all about mental health. And it has educated me so much about different topics on mental health, especially on the autism spectrum, especially when my mood is not great, when I'm going through a bout of poor mental health. I love just going through I Am Sitting's Instagram posts. It always makes me feel better. So please follow I Am Sitting if you haven't already. Okay, time for my favorite piece of clothing. My favorite piece of clothing has got to be my flamingo slippers. I know this is technically not a piece of clothing, but it still goes on your body, it goes on your feet, so it has to be clothing, right? I'm just going to assume that this is okay for a piece of clothing. Very, very useful for Delhi winters, and they are pink in color. And also, a fun fact, flamingo is my favorite bird. Actually, flamingo is also my favorite word. Like sometimes I just love shouting flamingo. I do that. Okay, before it gets long-winded, let me share my background of why flamingo is my favorite word and my favorite bird. Basically, when I was in high school, we had a literature textbook, and the title of the literature textbook was Flamingo. It made zero sense. There were no stories in that book that were related to flamingo, and every time I saw it, I would be like, what? Why? And there was also a picture of a flamingo on the cover of the book, and I was so confused by it, but I also loved it because it was so absurd. So I just started saying flamingo in high school, and now I never stopped. I don't really talk this fast in real life. I actually talk really slowly in real life. Please let me know if I should talk slower in videos. I feel like you guys will run away if I talk slowly. So that's why I just threw my slippers. That's what that sound was. Anyway. And finally, time for my favorite random item of this month. My favorite random item of this month was my oil heater. We have 2 oil heaters in this household, and if we didn't have them, we would have been dead this winter. So thank you, oil heater, for saving our lives this winter. And just like that, we're at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my review of January 2021. Come back here to see my review of February 2021, and have a great 2021. Oh, and also subscribe if you want to, like this video if you want to, comment down below with thoughts you want to share, and if you want to share this video with your friends, please do so. Bye bye.